If desired, and in addition to the ANSI 156.10, 156.19, and 156.38 Knowing Act requirement, you can add a virtual push-button option using the LZR-FLATSCAN 3DSW door-mounted safety system, a maximum of 2 per sensor, within the second curtain, simulating the performance of a Knowing Act device. The virtual push-button may be placed outside of the detection field, but within a limit of maximum detection field range specifications. The LZR-FLATSCAN 3DSW can also be used in a fixed mounting position or an off-door application use. Consult the LZR-FLATSCAN static mode application note for more information. To operate, the two gray wires of the LZR-FLATSCAN 3DSW must be connected, as the primary sensors, to the activation on the door controller with the 10-wire cable provided. Double tap the primary sensor button. When the green LED flashes, hold your hand in the desired position within curtain 2 to learn the virtual push button. When the LED flashes red to confirm the teach-in, remove yourself and hand. When the LED flashes green again, you can either learn another virtual push button or wait 10 seconds for the end of the teach-in. The field size of the detection field covers the entire door swing path during opening and closing.